How's it going, everybody? Rob here, back with another video, and, well, we are going to do another reaction. This time, however, look at some more of RWBY. We're still on Volume 2, looking at Chapter 3, so really excited. So, without further delay, this is a minor hiccup. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Probably use this display. There we go.
So, Weiss, you know, I was thinking after this, maybe we could go grab a bite to eat?
Okay.
And,
Just,
you know, I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vale. I hear it's awesome.
Wait, did you say Spruce Willis? Puns, quips, jokes. Okay.
And then maybe after that we could study together?
Okay.
I mean, you're smart and I'm you know.
And then timed that one wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait.
Was it though? Was it though?
Until next time.
Okay.
Weiss, did you hear me?
No, yes.
No,
One day.
no, one day. Okay.
I thought that class would never end.
All right, guys, today's the day. The investigation begins! I'm glad to see we're taking this so seriously.
Hey, we've got a plan.
Okay.
That's moderately serious.
Right?
Yeah. Possibly. Maybe.
Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies.
Okay.
Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem.
The White Fang has regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning.
I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vale. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard.
Great, we'll meet up tonight near Yang.
I'm kind of wondering if it's like a reference to the trailer for Yang that they released a while back, where she goes into like a club and, you know, basically just causes all kinds of hell.
Yang to go over what we found. Let's do this!
Yeah.
Oh.
Son, how did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I have trees all the time.
The implication. Jesus, no.
So, are we finally getting back at that Torchwick guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team.
Sorry, son. We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
Yeah.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune.
Where's he? Oh.
Sup?
How did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I kind of feel bad for him for that. Yeah, that would be understandable.
I'll go with Weiss. Son, you can go with Blake. And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Nah.
Okay.
But...
Wow! I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close. You should see the one in Atlas. That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to allow the 4 kingdoms to communicate with one another.
Okay.
It was their gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Don't be a
Okay.
pest. Besides, the only reason we're here is because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Oh.
Oh. You dropped this. Penny? Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that about?
Okay.
I don't know, but I'm going to find out. You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Wait!
Alrighty. So they separated.
Penny, where have you been? It's been weeks. there seems to be a misunderstanding. What?
Okay.
Penny,
Odd.
is everything okay? Penny, please stop! Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad.
Okay.
I need you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend. It isn't safe to talk here.
Is it? Or isn't it? Okay.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity? Perfect. Thank you, Miss Schnee.
Alrighty. So what's going on here?
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call to Schnee Company World Headquarters in Atlas.
Absolutely. If you could head over to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Schnee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to patch you through to your father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you. I was actually wondering if you could find some files for me. I've compiled a short list.
Okay, let's see what's going on.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
There are some sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be all then.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Yeah, her father's a bastard.
Well then, have a nice day.
Like, it's like clear. Like, I mean, early on, you could tell she does not care or, like, is not a fan of her dad. Like, it is very made apparent that she's not a big fan of her dad.
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together, and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but... Oh, you have to understand, my father loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really. Was your dad that upset? No, it wasn't my father.
Okay.
130 has been the standard security model of Remnant for several years. And they have done a fine job, wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a kingdom of innovation. And fine? Well, that's just not good enough, is it?
Okay.
Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200. Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year, but they won't be alone. Now, the Atlesian military has always supported the idea of removing men from the dangers of the battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce the Elysian Paladin.
This thing is awesome.
Now, we couldn't have him here for you today, but these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby, maybe we should go somewhere else.
Oh no.
Penny? Wait, where are you going?
Oh no. They got found.
Down here. She went this way.
Ooh! Oh, that would have hurt. Okay.
This way!
Oh, jeez. Ooh! This poor old man.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Do you think she's okay?
Penny, come back!
Can you call the police? Did she stop that with her bare hands?
It's like, dude, she's a robot.
Penny! Please! What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't. Everything's fine. I don't want to talk about it. Penny, if you can just tell me what's
It's funny that, like, she gets hiccups whenever she lies.
wrong. I can help you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me. You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl. Oh.
Yeah, she's a robot. Oh, man. I kind of wanted more. But, you know what? All in all, really looking forward to watching some more later on. So, that was RWBY. Really enjoyed that. Had a lot of fun watching some more of this show, and looking forward to future episodes. Really enjoyed that. We get more and more of the story. Probably get a little bit of like each character as they're, separated and doing their own tasks. But we get a little bit of Weiss. We get a little bit of backstory for Penny. So awesome. So all right, everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it if you guys can. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. If you guys want to follow us on social media, it's all in the description down below, as well as check out our daily content and the weekly podcast. With that being said, this is Novakast signing off. Have a good one. Take care. And I'll see you guys next video.